Dreaming of exploring Finland's breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cities, or the magical northern lights? Before you pack your bags, you'll need a Finland Schengen Visa if you're from a visa-required country. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire visa process so you can avoid mistakes and get approved faster. First, check if you even need a visa. Finland follows the Schengen visa policy, meaning travelers from certain countries can enter visa-free for up to 90 days. However, if your country isn't on the exemption list, you'll need to apply for a short-stay Schengen Visa Type C. The application must be submitted at a Finnish embassy, consulate, or authorized visa application center, back in your home country. If Finland is your main destination, apply there. If visiting multiple Schengen countries, apply at the embassy of your first entry point. You must book an appointment in most cases, submit documents in person, and pay the visa fee, $80 for adults, $40 for kids. Important: no email or fax applications are allowed. You must apply in person. The processing time is typically 15 days, but can take longer during peak seasons. Missing even one document can lead to rejection. Here's the complete checklist for a Finland Schengen Visa. The visa application form: passport with 2 blank pages issued within the last 10 years, passport-sized photo, travel insurance with $30,000 coverage valid in Schengen, proof of accommodation, flight itinerary, proof of funds, and a cover letter explaining the purpose of your visit. Additional documents may include an employment letter, business invitation, or sponsorship letter if applicable. The standard visa fee is $80 for adults, but some applicants may qualify for discounts or exemptions. The fees are $40 for children aged 6 to 12, free for kids under 6, and free for EU family members. The normal processing time is 15 days, but it can extend up to 45 days if extra checks are needed. Pro tip: apply at least 1 to 2 months before travel to avoid delays. Finland offers different Schengen visas depending on your travel purpose. A tourist visa for sightseeing or visiting friends or family. A business visa for meetings or conferences. An airport transit visa for connecting flights. A family visa for spouses or children of Finnish EU citizens, and a seasonal work visa for short-term jobs. Note that a Type D, long-stay visa is needed for stays over 90 days and requires a residence permit. Visa rejections happen, but you can appeal the decision if you believe it was unfair. The top rejection reasons include insufficient funds, fake documents, no travel insurance, and doubts about your intention to return. To appeal, submit a written appeal within 30 days and pay a $255 administrative fee. If rejected again, you can appeal to the Helsinki Administrative Court. Even with a visa, border officers can deny entry if you don't meet requirements. At border control, you must show your passport and visa, prove sufficient funds, and show your return ticket and accommodation proof. Entry can be denied if you're on the Schengen blacklist, pose a security risk, or lied on your application. Normally, Schengen visas cannot be extended, but exceptions exist for emergencies such as medical emergencies, flight cancellations, or natural disasters. You can apply for an extension at a local police station with a fee of $30, although humanitarian cases may be free. Finland offers special visas for seasonal workers and EU family members. The seasonal work visa is valid for a maximum of 90 days and requires an employer's invitation. The EU family visa, under the Free Movement Directive, is for spouses and children of EU citizens, has no visa fee, and offers faster processing. Before we wrap up, here are essential tips for a smooth Finland visa process. Apply early to avoid last-minute rush, double-check all documents, get travel insurance from a trusted provider, and keep copies of all submitted papers. Can you visit other Schengen countries with a Finland visa? Yes. How early can you apply? Up to 6 months before travel. Can you work on a tourist visa? No. Now you're ready to apply for your Finland Schengen Visa with confidence. If this guide helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more visa tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Safe travels, and see you in Finland.